Hey there, and welcome back to the Simple AI Guide, where we take the complicated world of artificial intelligence and explain it in plain English. Today we are tackling something that I know a lot of you are dealing with, a camera roll that is completely out of control. If you have ever spent 10 minutes scrolling through your phone just to find one birthday photo, today's episode is for you. We are talking about AI photo sorting, what it is, how it actually works, which tools are worth your time, and how to get started today for free. And as always, if you want to read the full written guide with all the links and tool comparisons, head over to ai4everyone.ai. That is AI, the number 4, everyone.ai. Let's start with a number that might make you feel better about your messy camera roll. The average smartphone user has around 2,795 photos stored on their phone. Worldwide, humanity takes more than 5 billion photos every single day, and nearly 54% of smartphone users say it is overwhelming to search their camera roll for a specific photo from the past. So, if you feel like your photos are a mess, that is not a personal failure. That is just math. Folders helped for a while, but once you have thousands of images spread across a phone, an old laptop, a tablet, and a cloud backup, the folder system falls apart. Duplicates pile up, naming gets random, and finding that one photo from Thanksgiving 2022 becomes a genuine chore. That is exactly the problem AI photo sorting was built to solve. So, what is AI photo sorting, and what does it actually do? When you upload or sync your photos to an AI powered organizer, the software runs each image through several types of analysis at the same time. Let me walk you through the big ones. First, scene and object recognition. The AI looks at what is actually in the photo: a dog, a birthday cake, a mountain, a sunset. This is what makes it possible to search your entire library by just typing beach sunset or red car and actually get matching results. No manual tagging required, ever. Second, face recognition. The AI scans for human faces, groups photos of the same person together, and in most tools lets you add names. So you can search dad and pull up every photo of your dad, even ones from years ago. Third, date and location sorting. Most photos have hidden data called EXIF data that records when and where they were taken. AI tools use this to automatically create timelines and location-based albums. Google Photos, for example, will group photos from a trip together automatically because the AI detects the location and the timing. And fourth, duplicate detection. AI can identify photos that are nearly identical, like 6 shots you took in a row trying to get the right angle, and group them into stacks, surfacing the best one. This alone can clear out a huge amount of clutter. The end result? Your chaotic pile of photos becomes a searchable, organized library with no manual work from you. Now let's talk about which tools to actually use. I am going to cover 6 options, from free to paid, casual to professional. For most people, Google Photos is the single best place to start. It is free up to 15 gigabytes, it is already on most phones, and the AI starts working the moment you back up your camera roll. It builds a chronological timeline automatically. It groups photos by face, it creates location albums from your GPS data, and it has natural language search. Type birthday cake or sunset mountain, and it finds matching photos in under a second. In 2026, Google also added a feature called Ask Photos, a conversational AI tool where you can ask things like, find photos from my last vacation, and it searches your whole library for you. One limitation to know: Google Photos does not handle screenshots and saved social media content well. Those just get sorted by date. But for actual photos, it is excellent, it is free, and it is easy. To get started, download Google Photos, turn on backup in settings, and let it run. Within a few hours, your library starts organizing itself. If you are a serious photographer with a big library of raw files, Excire Foto 2025 is the most powerful AI photo organizer available right now. Its standout feature is unrestricted free text search. You type any description in plain English, smiling couple at a restaurant or red motorcycle on the highway, and the AI finds matching photos with no prior tagging. It also includes a smart culling module that can help you review and select the best shots from a batch of 500 to 5,000 photos in just a few minutes. It runs entirely on your local computer, so your photos stay private. One-time purchase, $129, no subscription. If you already use Adobe Lightroom or Capture One and do not want to switch tools, On One Photo Keyword AI is a smart, affordable add-on. At $29.99, it automatically tags your photos with keywords and embeds them directly into your existing files, so everything becomes searchable inside Lightroom without any migration. There is a free trial so you can test it on your own library first. If your photos are scattered across multiple phones, old computers, and external hard drives, which is true for most families, Mylio Photos solves that specific problem. It uses peer-to-peer sync to connect all your devices without requiring everything to go to the cloud. It pulls photos from external drives, SD cards, and scattered folders into one searchable library. Subscriptions start at $99 a year. If privacy is your top priority and you are comfortable with a little technical setup, Image is a free, open-source alternative to Google Photos that you run on your own hardware. It has face recognition, smart search, and native iPhone and Android apps. Your photos never leave your own server. And if you want the privacy without the technical setup, Ente is a friendlier option. It uses end-to-end encryption, so even Ente cannot see your photos. It offers AI sorting by content, location, and faces, and it is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Free up to 5 gigabytes. All right, let's make this practical. Here is the 6-step process to get your photos organized with AI. Step 1, pick your tool. If you are not sure, start with Google Photos. It is free and already on most phones. Step 2, back up your photos before you do anything else. Google Photos, Mylio, and Image all handle this automatically once you set them up. Step 3, let the AI analyze your library. For Google Photos, it starts automatically. No setup needed. For desktop tools like Excire, you click one button and then let it run. A large library might take an hour or more. Step 4, name your face groups. Once the AI groups photos by face, spend a few minutes labeling them. Both Google Photos and Excire make this quick. You confirm or reject suggestions rather than typing from scratch. Step 5, set up a simple folder structure for the big categories that matter to you: events, people, years, projects. Let AI handle the search and tagging. Folders are just for your top-level organization. Step 6, use search instead of scrolling. This is the habit shift that makes everything click. Instead of scrolling, type what you remember: dad's birthday, kitchen renovation, that trip in 2019. Let the AI find it. Before I wrap up, a few tips that will make any of these tools work better for you. Check your dates, especially on scanned old photos. The scan date gets recorded instead of when the original was taken, which can scramble your timeline. Enable AI tagging from day one. The more tags your library accumulates, the more powerful your searches become. Use natural language search the way you would describe a memory. Red umbrella on the beach, dog sleeping on the couch, kids in the snow. You will be surprised what comes back. And do not try to organize everything at once. Work in batches. Go through one era at a time. Let the AI do most of the work and step in only where your personal context matters. So there you have it. AI photo sorting, explained in plain English. Here's the bottom line. The average person has thousands of photos they cannot easily find. AI photo sorting fixes that automatically, for free, starting today. The best tool is simply the one you actually start using. If you want the full written guide with all the tool comparisons, pricing, and step-by-step instructions, head over to AI4everyone.ai. The link will be in the show notes. And while you're there, subscribe to our free newsletter. Every week we cover one AI topic in plain English. No jargon, no hype. Just practical stuff you can actually use. This episode was written by humans and AI, read by an AI voice. Thanks for listening to the Simple AI Guide. I will see you in the next episode.